Growing consumption and increased investor confidence in China will lead to a consumption rebound and stronger economic growth, Pakistani expert Fahim Sardar said, adding that China has an important role to play in the recovery of the global economy. Given the constant optimization of China's COVID-19 policies and the recovery of China's domestic consumption, many foreign investors have cast a vote of confidence in the growth of China's economy by ramping up investment. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley have raised China's GDP growth forecast for 2023 to more than 5%.
The Chinese government has been able to keep inflation controlled below 3%. China has been able to maintain its exports. Something that is very critical, China has been able to restart consumption. We have to understand that consumption in China is very important. It needs to build up for the global economy to get pulled out of this recession. In the meantime, China has been invited by so many countries to invest in their country, in Europe, in Africa, even in America. What does that mean? That basically means that China has the capacity to invest. And we were talking about focusing on China in the larger numbers. If consumption in China starts to increase, it's going to create demand for all of the products.